Hi, this is Kevin from HiTech Trader. We're looking at the Fisher Muffle Furnace model 495. It's coming up to a set temperature of 954 degrees C, which is about 1750 degrees Fahrenheit, which Mike told me over at Hoyt that's what they would be running to. So as you can see, it's reached 180. We're going to 180 minutes at 954 degrees. Okay, so it should hold at 954 degrees for 180 minutes by the program that I set it to. Okay. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, 609-518-9100, or you can call us at HiTechTrader.com. Thank you.